Hey guys, this is David with Joe's Gaming Electronics, here with the Beats Solo Pro repair video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the Beats Solo Pro headband. As you can tell, it is pretty messed up. Looks like a dog might have got to it. I'll be replacing it with this headband here. Also, I'll be showing you guys pretty much the process of replacing the headband cushion, because it's also damaged here. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but it's also got holes in it, so we'll be replacing that as well. So first things first, you will need a pry tool, and what I like to use is a thin flathead screwdriver, something like this, and a pry tool. So let's begin. So the first thing, we're going to start at the edges and kind of pry up the corner here, just like that. Once you got that corner, flip it over and get the other corner here. Should come up easily. Now I'm going to switch over to this tool, the pry tool, and carefully pry the rest of this headband cushion. So they're all on clips, so it should come off here easily. Just like that. So the next thing we're gonna do is unscrew 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver on both sides, so 2 here and 2 here. Alright, got those screws taken out. Next thing, we will be using a heat gun to heat up this glue here on both hinges. We're going to kind of remove that, and the headband should pop off fairly easily. I'm going to go ahead and use the heat gun. I have it set at 300 degrees Celsius, and the airflow is about 25. Let's get this warmed up. You don't want to heat too much to the point where you're melting plastic, just enough to get that glue to be, so you're able to kind of pick it up, peel it with your flathead screwdriver, because that glue is in the grooves of the hinges, which allow it to slide. And it pulls out just like that. So I'd recommend kind of scraping off the remaining of the glue here, so that the installation process would be simple. Alright, so next side, same process. and that comes off. So what I'm going to do is clean off any glue residue on the hinges. And unfortunately, I don't know any ways around doing this without a heat gun. So I know you guys are going to comment down below asking if there's a way around using a heat gun. I'm not sure. You're going to have to experiment a little bit with that. I recommend using a precise heat gun. That way you're not damaging any of the plastics. Alright, so getting rid of this headband and installing a new fresh headband. So all you need to do, pretty much slide in, just like that. Let's go ahead and screw this in. Slide in this right side and screw in the hinge. And the final one gets screwed in. There you go. So make sure beats is facing from left to right, left side being the one that says left, and the right is here. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the headband cushion. Now one thing we want to notice is there's a little arrow, let's see, arrow on the right side. It's right here. That means it points to the right, and you want to make sure it's installed correctly. So this is actually the bad one. Let's get the good cushion. So where's the arrow? You look for the arrow. It is right here. Arrow is located, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's an arrow on one side of the cushions. Let's go ahead and install this. So I start with one side, kind of push that in, turn this over, and I'm going to be using this flathead screwdriver to push the tabs down. Just like that. This last corner might be a little tough. And we got that installed. Definitely more difficult than other Beats models. And there you have it, guys. A Solo Pro headband cushion and headband replacement. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair, feel free to comment down below, and we'll do our best to help you guys out. Have a good day.